Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience with EarthLink. Considering EarthLink as your internet provider? Here's a breakdown of what you should know before committing. EarthLink is a long-standing internet service provider offering a range of plans, from DSL to fiber optic, depending on your location's availability. A major advantage is the absence of data caps, meaning no speed throttling or extra charges for exceeding usage limits. This is a huge plus for heavy internet users. EarthLink emphasizes customer support, providing 24/7 assistance, a welcome feature for those frustrated with lengthy wait times experienced with other providers. However, EarthLink primarily functions as a reseller for major telecommunication companies like AT&T, Verizon, and CenturyLink. This means your service quality is directly tied to the infrastructure of these companies in your specific area, which can lead to variations in speed and performance depending on your location. EarthLink is a suitable choice for those needing reliable home internet but who might not have access to major fiber optic options. Where available, their fiber plans boast speeds up to 1 gigabit per second, catering to households with multiple users, online gamers, or streamers. Be aware that if you're limited to DSL, speeds can be significantly slower, and the price might not be as competitive. Cost-wise, EarthLink tends to be more expensive than some competitors, particularly for their fiber plans. Carefully consider the cost versus your actual speed requirements. On the downside, EarthLink typically requires 12-month contracts, and early termination fees can be substantial. This is a key consideration if you value flexibility or anticipate moving soon. Also factor in installation fees and be aware that promotional pricing often increases after the initial year. In conclusion, EarthLink can be a viable option if unlimited data and responsive customer service are priorities. However, pay close attention to the contract terms, installation costs, and the availability of fiber optic service in your area. Before signing a long-term agreement, thoroughly research and confirm the speeds you can realistically expect at your location.